Alright, so it's been a few days that I haven't spoken English, so I hope it will be alright. In today's video, we are going to see some ways to do conditional rendering with React, which is a pretty handy way to show and hide some content. Alright, so right there I just have a button and some text. That button is linked to a function when I click on it, and when I click on it, I will just toggle the state right there. Okay, so true, false, true, false, true, false. And this is a basic way to toggle things and to do some conditional rendering. So the first way is to use the not the short circuit operator, but the ternary operator. So I will just, if you want, ask a question. Toggle is true. If it's true, I will show my content. If it's not, I will just put a colon, okay, the two dots, and I will show nothing. Now I can just press Shift-Alt-F, and with Prettier, it will just make it a little bit better. Okay, great. So right now, if I click on it, I will just toggle the state, and I will show my text if toggle is true, and if it's false, I will just show nothing. It's great, and it's very used. It's the ternary operator, so either that or that. But there is something shorter, the short circuit operator. So for example, I can put the double ampersand or the and symbol right there, and I can remove my colon right there, and it will also work. See? Up, it's working. It's the short circuit operator. Alright, so it's pretty useful when you just want to show something when the condition is true, but only when the condition is true. If it's false, it will just return nothing. Alright, great. After that, you can also use some huge condition if you want. So if toggle, for example, and you will return something, and else if toggle is false, you will return something else. So for example, I don't know, toggle is false. Toggle is false. Alright. And now we can test it. If it's true, it will just return the text, and if it's false, it will return that. Okay? It's useful if you have a lot of condition, for example. If you have a lot of else if, it can be useful to present the thing that way. Alright, and after that, I find a little technique which is a little bit weird, but it's working. You can use if, so if like that, immediately invoked function expression. So you just open an expression, and inside it you can write function, and that will return just hello, for example. And right there you need to open and close the parentheses, and you need to return it. Okay, so it's a function that will call itself, and with that you can return some element, for example, some content. So you see that it's already working, and right there you can say if toggle, you return that, and else you return something else. So toggle is true, and toggle is false, and toggle is false. Okay, so we see right there that toggle is false because it's only when our condition is respected right there. Okay, but if we just return it and we remove that, okay, great. So if we just toggle right there, you see that it will also work. It will be true or false right there. Okay, so this is a way of doing things, but well, don't use it because actually you can use the ternary operator and the short circuit operator. But I just wanted to show you that because I find it fun that you can also return some condition with the immediately invoked function expression. Alright, so this is how we do some conditional rendering with React. Don't forget that you can also do it with the classes, with the style, and with the different attributes. So it's very, very useful, especially the ternary operator in the classes and the style, for example. Alright, great. Like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.